Hi, today we are going to discuss about Thermax. Before starting that, welcome to ST22 Financial. So, we are going to talk about Thermax. Why Thermax? Because Thermax plays an important role in energy, in environment and in chemical sector. And their motto is to, they say also, heat, we cool, we power, we clean, we recycle. So basically, in these three sectors, they are mainly a major player. If we talk about the major plus point of this Thermax company in this current situation, that is FGD, means fuel gas desulfurization, means for emission of toxic gas from chimney. It helps to prevent these things to harm our environment, mainly air pollution control. And more the strict rules will be coming up, more there will be application of FGD, and it is generally used in thermal power sector, which plays an important role in regarding industrialization, where it consumes near about 52%, domestic use 24%, agriculture sector use 18%. And because of FGD, their order size has increased, or rather they have crossed 1500 crores mark in recent year, and it is playing a major role of their green revenue income, because green revenue income is a major income for Thermax. It has increased from 65% to 71%. Next comes your, and also that in your revenue, in green revenue sector, their margin is also less. So we will be talking about later on. Next is the boiler. They are specialist in developing a boiler, and they are the market leader. Therefore, they have created a modernized way of manufacturing where there will be a zero defect chiller in near future, and it is happening in Sri City in Andhra Pradesh. They have another thinking: build, own and operate, plug and play, because they do not want to waste their time on the side for developing any project. They want to create those things within their parameter and then shift to their necessary customer. And chemical sector, they are slowly moving to the chemical sector, or rather they are trying to increase their revenue in the chemical sector. In the chemical sector is important because the statistics shows in 2017 to 19, when there is a headwind, means there is a trouble for the government for revenue generating process, the chemical sector was generating an income, or rather growing at a 17% CAGR rate. Why? Because our FMGC product generally depends on the chemical sector, and FMGC product generate 60% of our GDP. And Thermax is why they are going. Earlier I have told, in revenue on the environmental sector or a green sector, their margin is less, whereas in chemical sector they are increasing their margin, even though their total, out of total revenue, their segment for the chemical sector is small, but their margin is quite high. And besides that, they are with the help of chemical sector, they are creating a plan where there will be a zero liquid discharge, where water wastage will be reduced, rather it can be recycled. Now we will talk about their total income, from where they are coming. 9% is coming from their chemical sector, 19% coming from their power sector, 11% coming cement sector, and 11% from food, and remaining other places. So chemical sector, cement sector and the power sector, where FGD will be playing a major role. Now if we talk about the how much quickly they are getting the payment, if we talk about the operating cash is 326 crores divided by EBITDA is 440. If you calculate into 100, it will be 75%. They are realizing their cash quickly. And there are shareholder of 11.26 crores, and their cash flow in recent year in 2020 is 277.5. If we calculate near about 23 rupees per share, there is a discount. And if we go to the balance sheet, their non-current liabilities in 2020 is 136, and their cash or cash equivalent is near about 1300. After deducting that, obviously the cash left out is 1156 crores. So it is a huge amount. Means there's no issues regarding debt, and their debt coverage ratio is also quite good. Cement factory or cement sector also required FGD, and recently you have heard the government is going to make a huge investment in health sector, so obviously there will be demand for cement, and automatically FGD will be playing a crucial role. And so how this explanation has been told, please pass your necessary comment below. Till then, tata.